Now I'm going to take the string cheese that I have, and I'm just going to go ahead and open up the string cheese right here. I'm going to go ahead and open up the string cheese. It's one piece, and there's two pieces right here that I'm going to use. You can always use more. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to coat it with the Frito dust. But before I do that, I'm going to have a cookie sheet, and I'm going to spray the cookie sheet right here, put that to the side. And then what I'm going to do with the cheese is I am going to dip it, go ahead and just dip the cheese inside of the egg. And then I'm going to dip it inside of the flour, get them nice and coated with the flour. And then I'm going to dip them right back in to the egg. Now this is an important step that you do. It's a double dipping. All right, so dip it back into the egg. And then last but not least, I'm going to dip it into the Frito dust, chili cheese Frito dust. Get them nice and coated. Right there. Then I'm going to place them on my cookie sheet. Place them on my cookie sheet. And I'm going to put these inside of the oven at 400 degrees for about 5 minutes. All right. After about 5 minutes, this is what I have right here. These are the Frito cheese sticks, the chili cheese sticks. So we're gonna go ahead and break it apart so you can see what it looks like. Look at it. Look at the cheese sticks. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.